Do you want to save your valuable time that you spend on creating content videos for your business? Then you have come to the right place. Watch the full video and make sure to click on the link in the description box to get special offers if you are interested in this platform. Using this platform, you can easily create videos with text articles. The most important thing is you are offered a lot of resources for creating your videos. As mentioned previously, if you are interested, please make sure to click on the link in the description box to get special offers. Pictory.ai is a revolutionary new platform that's changing the game in the world of image editing. With its advanced artificial intelligence technology, Pictory.ai allows users to edit their photos and videos with unprecedented precision and ease, making it an indispensable tool for photographers, content creators, and anyone who wants to take their images to the next level. At its core, Pictory.ai is all about simplifying the image editing process. Instead of spending hours tweaking individual elements of your photos, Pictory.ai automates many of the most time-consuming tasks, allowing you to achieve professional quality results with just a few clicks. Whether you're looking to remove background noise, enhance color, or adjust lighting, Pictory.ai's algorithms make it easy to achieve the perfect look. One of the key features of Pictory.ai is its intuitive user interface. Designed with usability in mind, the platform's interface is easy to navigate, even for beginners. Everything is laid out in a simple, straightforward way, so you don't have to spend hours wading through menus and options to find what you need. This streamlined approach makes Pictory.ai an ideal tool for anyone who wants to edit their images quickly and efficiently. Of course, the real magic of Pictory.ai lies in its artificial intelligence technology. Using advanced machine learning algorithms, Pictory.ai is able to analyze your images in real time, identifying the key elements that need to be adjusted to achieve the desired effect. This means that you don't have to be an expert in image editing to achieve professional quality results. Pictory.ai does the heavy lifting for you, leaving you free to focus on your creative vision. One of the most impressive things about Pictory.ai is its versatility. Whether you're working with photos or videos, Pictory.ai has you covered. The platform's AI algorithms are able to analyze video footage frame by frame, allowing you to make precision adjustments to each individual frame. This makes Pictory.ai an ideal tool for content creators who need to edit large volumes of footage quickly and efficiently. So, what are some of the specific features that make Pictory.ai stand out? Let's take a look. Object removal. With Pictory.ai, you can remove unwanted objects from your photos or videos with just a few clicks. Whether it's a stray telephone pole in the background of your landscape shot, or an unwanted person in your group photo, Pictory.ai's algorithms make it easy to remove unwanted elements from your images. Color enhancement. Pictory.ai allows you to enhance the colors in your photos and videos, making them pop off the screen. Whether you want to make your blues bluer, your greens greener, or your reds redder, Pictory.ai's AI algorithms can help you achieve the perfect look. Lighting adjustment. With Pictory.ai, you can adjust the lighting in your photos and videos to create the perfect mood. Whether you want to brighten up a dark scene, or add some dramatic shadows to a portrait, Pictory.ai's AI algorithms make it easy to achieve the desired effect. Overall, Pictory.ai is an incredibly powerful tool for anyone who wants to take their images to the next level. With its advanced AI technology, intuitive user interface, and versatile feature set, Pictory.ai is poised to become the go-to platform for image editing in the years to come. Whether you're a professional photographer or just someone who loves taking pictures, Pictory.ai is definitely worth checking out.